Hello, how can I assist you today? What is p5.js? And then shows us what this is. Hello, I'm Jack. Today I'm going to talk about how to download open source large language models onto your computer so you can run them locally even when you don't have internet access. Let's dive right in. So we will be using this open source tool called Ollama, which lets you manage and download different open source large language models. I'm going to go to the ollama.com, which is the official website of Ollama, and click on download. And then on this download page, choose the appropriate version for your operating system. In my case, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to click download for Mac OS. In fact, I have downloaded beforehand, so I'm going to open my downloads folder where you see the zip file, and I double click the zip file to unzip this. And then this is the Ollama application that we want to be running. Because I know I'll be using it later as well, so I'm going to move this to the applications folder. So Ollama now is installed. And once that's down, I should be able to open Ollama from my Spotlight. And I'm going to enter to open it. When you open it for the first time, it's going to show that it's an app that's downloaded from the internet. I'm going to click on open, and then it shows this welcome screen. And note that this is actually only going to show up in the first time that you run this. In future, the only thing you will see is this little icon. And so let's click on next. And then one of the first things it's going to install is the command line tool, and that is actually going to be how we interact with this tool, Ollama. So click on install, enter your password, and then that should install the command line tool for you. And finally, it will suggest you to run a command in your terminal, and let's do that part together. Yeah, you can either use that command directly, or we can on the Ollama website, we can click on models, and we can browse different models. We have Meta's Llama models, we have Google's Gemma models, there's Alibaba's Qianwen models, and Phi, there's Mistral. So there's really a lot of models out there that you can choose from. And I would really encourage you to check out different models, install different models, and try them out. And for now, I'm going to click on the first one, Ollama 3.2, and I can copy this command over here. This is how we will be downloading this model. So I need to open terminal. On Mac, it's a terminal application. Again, you can open it from the Spotlight as well, or in my case, I already have it open. On Windows, you want to be using the PowerShell, and then now you can paste this command and click enter in order to download. So this is going to take a while, and I'll probably speed up in the post. Let's wait for a little bit for it to download. So now it has almost finished downloading. It's downloading a couple of other things. And because we are using this run command, Ollama run, so as soon as it downloads, it actually run this model as well. So we're going to, so now the model is running, the Llama 3.2 model is running, and we can talk it just like we talk to any other chatbot that's based on large language models. Hello, how can I assist you today? What is p5.js? And then shows us what this is. So this can be really helpful when you need to use a chatbot when you do not have internet access, or that if you want more privacy, you want to use it on your own computer. So when you interact with large language models with Ollama, the requests, the questions, really everything happens on your computer, so it will not go to it will not go to any server. And one other thing that is that now that we have the large language model running on our computer, what we can also do is to use p5.js to talk to Ollama, so we can integrate large language models into our p5.js sketches. And that is actually one major reason why I'm demonstrating this. And in order to exit this, I'm going to type slash and exit, or you can also type slash by. And and let me show you a couple other commands. If you type Ollama and enter, this will show a list of commands that are available. And if you want to list all the models you have, you can use Ollama list. So I'm going to do that, Ollama list, and enter. And as you can see, we have this model that we just downloaded. So in future, if you want to download other models, you can always either use run, which will download and also run the model, or the one I prefer is pull, which simply downloads the model. And once the model is downloaded, and then you can use the Ollama run and then the name of the model in order to run it. So this is it. I hope you enjoying this tutorial, and I hope you find some good use with Ollama on running on your computer. And in a future episode, I will introduce how we can write code in p5.js in order to communicate communicate with Ollama and integrate that into our p5 sketches. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.